everybody can have two. Come on, Dominic. Come get you. Take two. Here you go. Oh, you got two. Okay. Okay. And let's play with them. Play with them with your mommy. Give me two. Here's the other one. You want to put it on your wrist?
Jingle bells. You sound like you're right here.
Put it here. No. You want to hold it? You want to hold it? Let's get with our mommy. Ollie, you need another one too. Okay.
You want one?
Let me see. I'll put it on your wrist.
You want me to put my wrist?
You want to hold it instead?
I like this one.
Okay, let's explore. What can we do with the bell? What can we do with the bell? We can use them as a hammer. We can use them as a hammer. We can jingle them up high.
Put them on your wrist.
We can jiggle them with you. Jiggle them with you.
Jiggle them you can.
Emily.
She got you.
Okay. All right, I'm going to play our Build a Boat song again.
Wait, Emmy, where are you going?
Okay, here we go.
Put it on your wrist.
Come on, let's take that one. Now we're going to use it as a hammer.
You just sing Jingle Bells song.
Let's put them on the floor. How do you think we can use them as a straw? That makes it a water. And up high, and down, and around in a circle. Okay. Very good. Let's put the bell